Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 47, Quranic Verses, Contentment, Self-Restraint, and Moderation in Lifestyle. No living creature is there moving on the earth, but its provision depends on Allah, and He knows its every lodging and disposition, every stage of its life, and the duration of its stay, and the moment of its transition therefrom. All is in a manifest book. Hud 11:6. I have not created the jinn and humankind, but to know and worship me exclusively. I demand of them no provision, nor do I demand that they should feed me. Ad-Dariyat 51:56-57. That which you spend is for the poor, who, having dedicated themselves to Allah's cause, are in distressed circumstances. They are unable to move about the earth, to render service in Allah's cause, and earn their livelihood. Those who are unaware of their circumstances suppose them wealthy because of their abstinence and dignified bearing, but you will know them by their countenance. They do not beg of people importunately. Al-Baqarah 2:273. Those who, when they spend, both for their own and others' needs, are neither wasteful nor niggardly, and are aware that there is a happy mean between those two extremes. Al-Furqan 25:67. Hadith number 272. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Riqaq 15. Sahih Muslim, Zakah 130. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Wealth is not from a lot of money. Wealth is the independence of the self." Hadith number 273. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Wasaya 9. Riqaq 7. Sahih Muslim, Zakah 96. Hakim ibn Hizam, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I asked the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him. And he gave to me, and then I asked him, and he gave to me, and then I asked him again, and he gave to me. Then he said, Hakim, wealth is verdant and sweet. Anyone who takes it in a generous spirit will be blessed in it, but anyone who takes it in an avaricious way will not be blessed in it. Like someone who eats and is not satisfied. The upper hand is better than the lower hand. Hakim said, I said, O Messenger of Allah, by the one who sent you with the truth, I will never again ask anyone for anything until I leave this world. Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, called Hakim to take his share, and he refused to take it from him. Then Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, called him to give to him, and he refused to accept anything from him either. Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I call on you to testify, company of Muslims, that I offered Hakim his share of this booty, and he refused to take it. Hakim did not take anything from any person after the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, until he died. Hadith number 274. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Zakah 18. Sahih Muslim, Zakah 95. Hakim ibn Hizam, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, The upper hand is better than the lower hand. Begin with your dependants. The best sadaqah, charity, is that given by the wealthy. Anyone who refrains from asking, Allah will spare him the need to, and anyone who seeks to be independent, Allah will give him independence. Hadith number 275. Narrated in Sahih Muslim, Zakah 108. Auf ibn Malik al-Ashjari, may Allah be pleased with him, said, We were sitting with the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, and there were 7 or 8 or 9 of us. He said, Will you not give allegiance to the messenger of Allah? And we had only recently given allegiance. We said, We have already given you our allegiance, O messenger of Allah. He said, Will you not give allegiance to the messenger of Allah? And we stretched out our hands and said, We have already given you our allegiance, O messenger of Allah. On what basis should we give you our allegiance? He said, That you worship Allah and do not associate anything with Him, the 5 prayers, and that you obey. And he said something softly, and that you do not ask people for anything. I later saw one of those people drop his whip, and he did not ask anyone to hand it to him. Hadith number 276. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Zakah 53. Sahih Muslim Zakah 101. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, The very poor man is not the one who goes around to people to ask for a bite or two to eat or a date or two, but the one who does not have enough for himself but is too shy to ask, so that he is given sadaqah, or does not beg from people importunately.